So dear students, the next plugin we are going to see will help you in routing the tracks for a PCB that is going to be used in the high voltage application. So that is, go to plugin and content manager, and that plugin I am going to suggest you is Roud Tracks. Click on this, click install, and click over here apply pending changes, and all operations completed successfully. Hit close, and let's just close this folder, and let's just hit close, and let's see, let's open any project, and let's say I have this project on the desktop. Let's open its PCB. The round tracks will actually make your tracks in a round shape. As you can see that if you route any track over here, let's say if I click on add track, and if I choose this, and as I move anywhere, it will have a 45-degree angle for your tracks. But if you are going to draw let me undo this. If you are going to design a PCB that has high voltage application, and you don't want to have edges and corners for your tracks, then you are going to use this plugin of the rounded tracks. For using that, you first of all, what you have to do is, let's just I want to round this one track. Let's just select this track and hit U so that all tracks got selected. Similarly, go to tools, go to external plugins, and you have this round track plugin over here. Click on this, and it says radius of 2 millimeter, and let's just run. Hit OK, and now you can see that this track is now round, in a round shape. Let's say if you want to draw the entire PCB in a rounded with the rounded tracks, then let's just click on the PCB, select all, or if you can click on this and hit and go to select all. This will select your PCB. Then go to tools in the external plugin, go to round tracks, and let's run this and hit OK. And now you can see that we have all the tracks with the rounded corners. Actually, this will prevent the when you are going to design the PCB for high voltage application. So rounded tracks will prevent the charges from building up at the corners of the track. So this plugin is very useful. So hope you have understood how to install this rounded track plugin and use on your PCB.